Ndekeni, Ajeni, Otofeni, Osamarunekene. Because in this video, let's listen to what this boy is saying. You know, we know that all these 11 people, they are very good when it comes to lying. These people can lie to that. Like, if they want to lie, they lie with boldness. They lie with authority. Let's listen to what this boy have to say.
A lot of the Awushi and everybody around Benin, a lot of them will say we did not come from Benin, we did not come from Benin, we did not come from Benin. They don't have any concrete evidence to show that they are not from the Benin tribe. And Ubini is not a Yoruba word, rather it's an Ishekiri word. It was the Benin tribe that the Ishekiri tribe came from. And then we conquered the Ile-Ife. You need to understand that the Benin Empire owned the whole of West Africa, as big as West Africa, from Ghana to Dahomey, to Togo, to Benin Republic, even Cameroon. We stopped at Cameroon. Why? Because the Igbo tribe, they ran from oppression from the Zimbabwe Empire. The most know that in history, it was recorded by the first white men that encountered us, that we bet a war that was more than 3 times bigger and longer than the walls of China. Why was the Benin wall destroyed, breaking down? Do you know how many pyramids we had in Benin that were destroyed? Then go down to the Nok Empire, destroyed. So you need to know that the set of the Benin actual ancestry were not much. They were powerful warriors that migrated from the lower Kemet after the upper Kemet and the lower Kemet had been taken over by the Romans and part of the Arabs. Let me tell you something. I'm not trying to cause anything, but you see that war that happened between the Igbo and the Nigerian government, which is Biafra and Nigeria. If that war were to be between Nigeria and the Benin tribe, the Isoko tribe, the Urobo tribe, the Ijo tribe, the Shekiri tribe, Nigeria would have been divided. And who were the Ile-Ife? Ile-Ife were the migrants that came from the Nubian region through down upper Ghana, down to settle there. And let me tell you, when they settled there, we were their lord. And if you tell me that the Agbor tribe were the Henry tribe, no wahala. There's 100%. You will see the evidence of the Igbo among the Agbor tribe. You will see the evidence of the Igbo among the Asaba tribe, is the Isele tribe. But do you know what is called conquer? The Bini had conquered them. If you want to take them back to Igbo land, you will have to come and conquer Bini. Yes, come and conquer the land. Carry your weapon, go there and conquer. But because you cannot do it now, the Agbor tribe is a Bini tribe. We own it, we conquered it, belongs to us. They are our brothers. Those people we conquered are no longer existing. People existing in Agbor land today are Bini children. People existing in Asaba land today are Bini children. People existing in Isele today are Bini children, and they are paying homage, and we cannot oppress them. If today something happen now that Ahabatan is under attack, we go and defend them. If Isele is under attack, all of us will go and defend them. Is that the Bini people did not come from Ile-Ife? The Ile-Ife existed on their own. Neither did the Ile-Ife come from Benin. The Ile-Ife was an after migration after we have taken over the land. And when they came in from down from the Nubia, we encountered them. What are you doing here? You say, we are doing okay, you will be under our rule. So when Ile-Ife started growing and becoming big, they didn't want to pay homage. That was what led to the invasion. So the Ile-Ife people were calling us a land of anger, and we are seeing the land of anger till today.
Okay, my people, you have all listened to what he said. Well, only those that don't know Benin history will tell you that all he said here is the truth. But let me tell you, everything he said here are all lies. He's just speaking out of point. You know, many of them just think that they have sense. This boy is saying rubbish. Everything he said here are all rubbish. For his information, ibinu is the name of that kingdom called Benin. There is nothing like Bini is not a Yoruba word, it's an Ishekiri word. Ishekiri people, not Yoruba people. Ishekiri people are Yoruba people. Okay, so an Ishekiri word is a Yoruba word. The name Ile-Ibinu means land of vexation, land of anger, land of bitter people. That is the meaning of Ile-Ibinu. Their Yoruba ancestor, Oromiyan, gave them that name. Okay, so stop lying and trying to deceive yourself. And for your information too, Ile-Ife is the ancestral home of Benin. There is no Benin did not conquer Ile-Ife. That's what I say. Benin conquered Ile-Ife. Ile-Ife people are migrants for so and place. He is lying. Even if Ile-Ife people are migrants, they gave birth to Bini. Bini people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. The Oba of Bini is not like the Oba of Bini is the great grandson of Oduduwa. Oduduwa have a son called Okambi. Okambi gave birth to Oromia, and Oromia gave birth to the first Oba of Bini. So the Oba of Bini is a great grandson. He and Oni not be mate. The Oni of Ife is far more greater than the Oba of Bini, because the Oba of Bini is his great grandchild. Okay, so this boy should stop coming online to say rubbish. Just they talk rubbish with boldness. Just they talk nonsense. Yes, just they talk rubbish. He was there last time. The some elders from the Oba Palace went to Ile-Ife to trace their ancestors, and they confirmed that they were saying with their Oma that they are from Ile-Ife, that the Oba, all of them, Bini people, are children of Oduduwa from Ile-Ife. And this boy is still here saying rubbish. Just Debo, they talk rubbish. You know, this boy said that he said that Bini is an empire. Let me tell you, Bini is not an empire. Bini is just a kingdom. Yes, now what you make Bini empire? Bini is not an empire. Bini is just a kingdom that invaded every community surrounding it. Bini invaded many communities in Yoruba land, present day Ondo State. They invaded many communities in Anioma land. They invaded all the communities surrounding them, including Ishan people. That land that Bini occupied today, they invaded it from Ile-Ife. Oromia is an invader. He invaded that land, settled there, and gave birth to Bini people. Oromia did not come alone. He came with many Yoruba warriors. And this Bini population you see today are children of those warriors. Late Chief Edebiri said that his own ancestors came from Ile-Ife with Oromia, the man that gave birth to the first Oba of Bini. He said that what they greet his family in Bini is La Uhe, which that Uhe is Ile-Ife, present day Osun State, Yoruba land. So these people are Yoruba people. Bini is not an empire. Bini is just a kingdom known for invasion and using other people they capture from other communities for sacrifice. It's in their history book. What they do is to invade people, use them for sacrifice. That's why Bini people are known. Bini people during the past, in the ancient time, they sell people into slavery. Now they sell people into slavery. As they use other people, they do sacrifice that time. It's history. I'm not here to tarnish the image of anybody. I'm only here to tell these people their history. It's documented. They know about it. They will even call you Ovien, which means slave. If you know the Benin Empire, they will call you Ovien. So you are not, we are Anioma people, we are not Ile-Binu people, okay? So stop claiming Bini is Bini is just a kingdom. Bini did not own West Africa. This one that he's saying, Bini own West, shut up. Sean, you know Bini own West Africa. Bini is just Bini are just invaders. So that's why these Bini people, they will come and tell you, Bini own West Africa. West Africa is being owned by Bini. Bini controls the whole, control what? Bini is just an invader because they are invading other communities. They now see themselves as an empire. There's nothing empire about Bini. Bini is just a kingdom. He said that Bini have pyramids. Bini not get pyramid. Make this boy shut up him mouth to the talk. It make noise up and down. Bini does not have a pyramid. That thing that Bini people call pyramid is the rooftop of the Oba Palace. Rooftop like this. Look at it now. This is a rooftop. It's not a pyramid. Bini don't have any pyramid. The British did not record that Bini have pyramid. They don't have pyramid. That rooftop is what they are calling pyramid. They call people who get pyramid for Africa. They call Bini. Bini have nothing to show. Even their bronze, the oldest archaeological evidence in Bini, which is the bronze, came from Ile-Ife in the 1500s, which is just 500 years ago. Okay, so make us stop to the brag over nothing. They brag. Benin don't have anything called pyramid. What they are bragging is the rooftop of the Oba Palace. And he also said that Anioma people, he said that Isele people, Agbor people, Asaba people, that they conquered these people. And that the people that they conquered have left that place, that the people there now are Bini children, descendants of Bini. This boy, try to shut up your mouth, mumu. They talk rubbish. Who are your descendants? Isele people are not Bini people. Asaba people are not Bini people. Agbor people are not Bini people. Do you know how many wars that Agbor and Bini have fought? Bini have fought many wars with Agbor. They are not one people. Okay? So stop saying rubbish, coming around to say rubbish that you conquered them. You did not conquer them, okay? The ancestors, Bini have many ancestors, which includes Igbos, as one of their ancestors. That's why Bini people greet La of Eze. That Eze is tracing the ancestor of Bini people, which is Eze. La Ogiesan, which is the Asian ancestry of Bini. La Uhe, which is the Ileife ancestry of Bini. Okay? So when you talk about the ancestry of Bini, we mention Yoruba, Igbo, and Ishan. So stop saying rubbish that you invaded these communities and they are still speaking Igbo till date. You invade person, you see the claim say now your descendant. The British that conquer Nigeria, are they calling Nigerians their descendants? Mumu. They are our children, they are our descendants. You conquer them and they are still bearing the name of their ancestors. You conquer person not mean say they be your descendants, okay? So stop to the talk rubbish. Try to shut up your mouth. Try to shut up. He said that if you want to conquer Isele, if you want to take Isele back, you must first conquer Bini. You must do this one. Some of they pride Bini, they pride Bini. If anybody invade Asaba, that will come and fight for them. During the time of Asaba massacre, when in the Biafra war, where was Bini to defend Asaba? Shey Bini did that way they happen. Oba Bini that time fit talk. All on our Bini people now fit talk. Should we start talking about how you Bini people were killing Ibanke people during the war? Should we talk how you were killing Okwane people there? I be make everybody make we begin they spill out everywhere on do. Try to shut up your mouth. They talk rubbish. During Asaba massacre, where was Bini people then? Where Bini? Una fit talk. During the Ishiago massacre, where Bini? During Utabuno massacre, where Bini? You will defend it, you will do this one. See, let me tell you, he said that if Isoko people, Urobo people, Bini people come together and decide that they want to leave the country, that they would have left the country saying that Nigeria cannot withstand and shut up your mouth. What do you know about invade? What do you know about fight? Bini too small for Nigeria to crush. Bini is too small to be crushed. Just give Nigerian government 1 hour, they go crush Bini. Urobo, Isoko, Ishakiri, Bini, all of you come together. Nigeria government will crush Una with a blink of an eye. Una not rich. If they talk of power, Bini not rich. Forget that one where they say during the Portuguese era, Portuguese they give Bini weapon, they invade other communities. Just 1,200 British army invaded Bini and conquered Bini in just 2 days. They wiped out the entire Bini. Just 1,200 army. It can't be Nigeria army. Maybe say Nigeria will send like 200,000 army to descend on just Bini, Urobo, and this Soko with Ishakiri no even follow now because they be Yoruba. They say they be too mumu to follow now the fight or to talk about the one breakout from the country. Just 1,200 British army destroy. If British will be 1,200 British army, they will see destroy on today. It can't be Nigeria will send almost 200,000 people. They go clear on now. The one will even reach half day. The war between Una and Nigeria, so they talk rubbish. Because this boy they always talk and say, if it is Bini that is agitating to get their own country, they will like, shut up your mouth. Nothing Bini go fit do. Even till 100 years to come, Bini cannot do anything. Every small thing they drag Isoko and Yoruba people, they put for your mouth. Because you be Isoko person where they mumu himself online. If they want to get their own country, Bini would have gotten the country. Bini not will do anything. Nigeria will crush you. Even till date, they will crush you all. So, una not rich. Talk clearly that you and Igbo not be mates. They talk of strength. Bini cannot even produce gun. They can't even produce bomb. They can't even produce any weapon. Talk more of stand. We stand. You get you the craze. You know how many years where Igbo will stand the war? Igbo stood their ground, and the Igbo did not even fight only Nigeria. They at least 5 countries fought alongside Nigeria against the Igbos, and the Igbos, we stood our ground for 3 good years. Not just 1,200 British personnel wipe out Benin in just 2 days, and you are here talking rubbish. They talk with boldness, they talk rubbish. Mumu. He said that Benin people built the wall in Benin, that the British during the invasion broke all those walls, that Benin owned the wall. Let me tell you something. That wall in Benin, the moat around Benin, is older than Oduduwa himself. That wall is very ancient. When the white explorers came, and when they dated that wall, they confirmed that the wall is very old and ancient. Benin people met that wall there. No be then get waiting cause I Benin wall. How many people Benin there? Up to today, sir, Benin people, their population not even reach. They don't even, if you go even reach 2 million. If Benin people too plenty, say they get population 2-3 million. If they go even reach 2 point something million self. So their population is very small to build that moat. And the white people said that the total number of people that build that moat are up to 1 million people that built that moat around Benin. So people who build that moat plenty. How many Benin come there that time? When they build that moat, there is no entity in the world called Benin. They never born Oduduwa that time. Oduduwa is just 1,000 years old. In 1100 AD. 1,000 years ago. So are you telling us that that moat is 1,000 years old? Archaeology proved that that moat is far older. Very ancient. And who are the people that built that moat? Igodo people, Ishan people, and the Igbo people. They all live in that land, and they are being called Idu people. We are the people of Idu. Idu people are Ishan people, Igodo, and Igbo people. That's why some of our Okwan people will tell you we are from Idu. You see, Cap will tell us we are Idu. Idu that they are talking about is not Bini. Bini people are not Idu people. Bini person know the meaning of Idu. Bini people are Yoruba people from Ilefe. They invaded that land, and they are tenants in that land that they live today. So start saying, Okwane people, if Okwane people tell you that they are Idu people, the Idu we are talking about, is that land that Bini live today? What we call that land is Idu. We don't call it Bini. Bini is a Yoruba word, which means vexation and anger. Okay? So that moat, that wall around Bini, does not belong to Bini people. Bini people don't know how that moat was built. No Oba of Bini built that moat, okay? So stop saying rubbish. Just sit down. Wear bit for now. They talk rubbish with boldness. They talk with you, not feel defend. Where if even they get all this your history book self. Just they talk rubbish. Mumu. No, now. This boy should know that he is just talking out of points. That's why people they sell loud for this country. Una got mind the kind people when they sell loud give. I don't know whether I'm correct when they give this boy the smoke. Just they talk rubbish. They talk out of points. Who not know Benin history go think say you know what they talk. He's talking rubbish. Benin people are Yoruba people. And anyone that is claiming to be a descendant of Benin is just, that person is a mixture of so many people, which includes Yoruba, Igbo, and Isha. Those people in Benin that greet Lao Vieze are the Benin people with Igbo ancestry. Okay? Those who are greeting Lao Giesan are Benin people with Ishan ancestry. And those that greet Lao Uhe are Benin people with Ilefe ancestry. Okay? So don't mind this boy that is here saying all sort of rubbish. They disgrace himself online. Don't mind him. If those Benin elders that went to Ilefe to confirm their Yoruba ancestry, hear this, what this boy is saying, they will just say, this one now, mumu. Don't mind that. And this smart king will tell us where we come from. So don't mind these people. Agbor people are Igbo people. Isele people are Igbo people. Asaba people are Igbo people. We have no connection with, if to say we even get connection, we are not their descendants, okay? Benin have no power over us. The Oni of Ife have power over Benin. That's why he said that Benin territory in Edo State is a Yoruba territory. Okay, so Benin people are Yoruba people. Don't mind what this boy is saying. We Anioma people, we are Igbo people. And we are expected to actualize Anioma state and be zoned to the southeast where our brothers are and belong. We Anioma people, we belong to the southeast. That is where we are because we are Igbo people. Don't mind stupid people like this that come online to say rubbish. It's share